Welcome back to Touring Plans TV. I'm Angela Dahlgren, and today's a very fun video for me to be filming because I get to eat. We are trying out, and by we I mean me and my aunt, we are trying the different outdoor kitchens at the Epcot International Flower and Garden Festival. We have started in the Mexico Pavilion area at Jardín de Fiestas. Did I say it right? Let me know in the comments if I didn't. We got the pork tacos, so let's try it out. Here we go. Oh no, it moved. Okay. I took my bite. What did you think?
What did I think?
Yeah.
It was really good, except I want more pineapple.
It was good.
Yeah.
It was really creamy
Yeah.
for a pork taco. We both think that it needed a little more flavor. It had a little bit of spiciness in the back of your throat, but I think the creaminess, the goat cheese that's in it kind of overpowered everything, and it definitely needed more pineapple.
Yeah.
Overall,
was
this
good.
was the first thing that we tried, so we will try more, bring you with us, let you know what we think. Next is the Jamaican braised beef at La Isla Fresca.
I think it's good.
We'll be around.
It's not overly spicy
Just a
at all. Yeah, I taste cilantro. That's what I taste. Actually, it's not spicy at all.
Nope.
So if you are not into spices, you're not going to taste it at all. You're going to taste a little bit of cilantro, not overwhelming at all.
Yeah.
It has a really good beef base, like a beef sauce.
Rice is
And the beef is pretty tender too. And the rice is good as well. This is a win. This is over the pork tacos for me. You too?
Yep.
This is a win. I'm liking it. Now we're at the Honey Bistro, which is new for this year's Epcot International Flower and Garden Festival. So first we're trying the Honey Peach Cobbler Freeze. That's what my aunt got, so that's what I'm gonna try. This is the one with alcohol in it. It's a blueberry vodka.
It's better this second.
It's not incredibly strong. I'm just not an alcohol person. It's really not that. I'm just not an alcohol person. It's really not that strong. It kind of tastes like cake batter. It tastes like vanilla cake batter with graham cracker crumble on top. It's actually really, really nice. With, like I said, that blueberry vodka, but like I mentioned before, or maybe I didn't, there's a non-alcoholic version, which is what I would probably get. But next we're going to try the honey chicken tandoori flatbread, so let's do that. Here we go.
No alcohol.
It's good. It has a grilled onion on top, which is really, really nice. It also has a drizzle of sour cream, which I don't know that it necessarily needs, but it gives it that different kind of lighter flavor. Now, is that roasted tomato on top?
Yeah. Yes. It's tomato on top.
Yeah, it's
Sun-dried tomato.
sun-dried tomato on top, which is it's really good. And then I think there's a little bit of parsley to top it off. Very good. Nothing like groundbreaking. It's just a really good, solid flatbread. So definitely something I would suggest checking out if you just want a really good flatbread that's chicken-based. Sadly, we have reached the end of our journey. We are at Florida Fresh, and we have gotten the key lime tart. I have never tried key lime, and I've never tried lemon meringue, so I'm very, very excited to try this dessert. Let's see what I think. Oh my gosh. The meringue tastes like marshmallow in your mouth. It is not overly sweet. It is not overly zingy, sour. It is the perfect, oh my gosh, you guys, it's so good. There's that nice kind of graham cracker crust. It's, how do I describe it? It's not overly sweet, not overly sour. It's just perfect blend, very smooth.
Lemony, limey, key limey.
Yeah, key limey. It's delicious, and it comes with a very beautiful, I think it's a chocolate butterfly decoration, and ooh, it's a good one to share, although you might not want to. So overall, let's talk about our final thoughts. We have had the tandoori chicken flatbread, we had the Jamaican braised beef, and we had the pork taco. I think we would both rate the Jamaican braised beef as our #1, and then the flatbread, and then the pork taco. The pork taco is pretty forgettable, if I'm honest, and this dessert was delicious. Overall, how did you like your cobbler freeze, Kathy?
Fabulous.
She said it was fabulous.
That's with the blueberry vodka.
With the blueberry vodka, and like I said earlier, it tasted like alcoholic vanilla cake batter with blueberry flavoring in it. It was very good. So wouldn't that be blueberry muffin mix? Why can't I say blueberry? I only had 2 sips of it. It wasn't as strong as I made it seem. I'm just a wimp when it comes to alcohol. So those are our thoughts. Let me know what you thought of this video. Would you like to see more food reviews in the future? I had a lot of fun filming this for you. I love trying new things. So let us know. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube page, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.